communication with trust. How is the communication today?
Actually, what we see now in fragmented world, that the communication is the most challenging. That's why I wanted to pen now what we are challenging in this fragmented world, then how we communicate better, how we trust in communication, how we can bring the right ecosystem together, and then also put importance of not only our diplomats or bureaucrats to solve some disputes, but also to bring the communication officials on board to be able to create a right communication, right narrative for our future.
So we can say that communication is a mix of diplomacy, arts, and a lot of things that involve communication.
Indeed, actually what we see now with all complex world, that we have to include the communication in our all disciplinaries. So not only in the diplomacy, but also in the art, but furthermore, it's also in our daily life. So what we need, a better communication, and we need to understand more that on the trust. Actually, this is what I'm arguing about it, that with now the AI and technology, what we need more than ever, the trust on the information.
We are in a conference for reconstruction in Gaza. How do you see the communication in this field?
Well, as you see, it's not the only one, and we have seen experience in also in Syria. What is the most important thing is after the post reconstruction period. What we need more than ever, not beside the technical part, but also how we build the trust, and how we build the trust on societies, and to rebuild the societies and the communities. So that's why I try to mention here that not only the technically that we invest in the region, but we need to also manage to communicate with the communities and build the trust again for them to relocate and help us for building our community.
Thank you very much.